Not all earbuds are created equal. That's what Jabra believes. The Danish brand that specializes in audio equipment recently launched the Evolve 2 Buds in India. The premium true wireless earphones are a feature-packed offering. They come with active noise cancellation, 6mm drivers, and support for multiple audio codecs. A pair of earbuds with so many features and quality also commands a premium price. The Jabra Evolve 2 Buds come at a price of just over 39,000 rupees. Jabra Evolve 2 Buds earphones get MultiSensor Voice. This feature basically takes advantage of multi-microphone setup, 2 bone conduction sensors, and Jabra algorithms for a noise-free communication. The earphones are certified for apps like Google Meet, Microsoft Teams, and Zoom. The Jabra Evolve 2 Buds come with the professional grade USB adapter. You just have to pull it out from the case, connect it to your laptop, and you get a stable connection with great calling experience. Jabra says Evolve 2 Buds design is also unique. The company says it scanned over 62,000 ears to get a unique design that is fit for all ears. The earphones are dust and water resistant. They are claimed to offer up to 33 hours of battery life with ANC on, and they take about 2 hours to completely juice up. If you like this video and want more videos like this, follow Gadgets Now on YouTube, Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook.